Hello, future scientists! In Unit 5, Forces, we will explore, talk about, and describe the movement of familiar things and recognize that both pushes and pulls are forces. At the end of the lesson, you can explore, talk about, and describe these things, how they move, and you can make comparisons between things that move. Also, you can show that both pushes and pulls are forces. For our starter activity, hit balls that are pushed to start, so you will identify which objects are using push force. What is force? An object moves when a force is applied to it. A force can be push or pull. Pushes and pulls or forces can make things start moving or stop. Objects will only move if there is a force. Forces can also make things change direction. When you push something, you are moving these objects away from yourself. And when you pull something, you are moving the object closer to you. Now watch this video to learn more about force. We use push and pull to do many things. Remember, pushing and pulling can move an object faster, or move slower, or start moving and stop moving, or can also to change direction. Also to change the shape of the same objects, just like this. And pushing and pulling can make things change direction, like here. The rope may not move if the two teams pull at it with equal force, or when a football player changes the direction of the moving ball with a strong kick. These pictures used push and pull force, like putting the hands or palms out in a push-up bar. Or you push a button on this calculator, you pull a tissue paper, or pulling a kite with your friends, and other daily activities. How do toys move? Some toys move, and you can move them using a push or a pull. Let's look at these pictures of toys. Do you need to push or pull the toys, or are there any that you could push and pull? In this picture A, the balls used push. When you push on the ball, it pushes back on you with exactly the same force for the same amount of time. Now, this horse used both push and pull. When children use their upper body strength to force their weight forward and downward to the horse, the rocker tilts forward and backward to create the rockling movements. So, both push and pull is needed in this picture. Let her see this deck. As you can see, the string used pull for it to move. The bat and ball used push. Why? The ball will move when the bat hit it. So hitting the ball means you are using a push force. Now this shopping trolley used both push and pull for it to move. Remember, things do not move by themselves. When something moves, there is always a force, a push or a pull. Look at these pictures. What force is being used to make the swing move? To make the swing move, the girl standing needs to either push or pull it and then let go. In this picture, what force must the boy use to make himself move off the ground? Okay, so the boy needs to use his legs to push himself upwards. What force is the boy using here to make the roundabout move? Here you can see the girl is using push to make the roundabout move. Now for letter D picture, which forces is the girl using to move up the climbing wall? Now to make herself move off the wall, the girl is pushing with her feet and using her arms to pull. When you pull something, you move it towards you. Just like this picture of a pull-along train, you can move it by pulling the string. Did you know that the strongest person in the world pulled a plane and made it move? That is wow! And now challenge yourself. Is it easier to pull or push the car? Think about how you will make the car move and share your thoughts in the class. Future scientists, thank you for listening.